What is up, Prince Squad? I am back with another video, and if you saw my last video, you know what this video is going to be about. But if you didn't see it and you want to know what it's going to be about, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Y'all, I have cleaned off this desk. You know, however messy it was, it's cleaned off except for my sign right here, y'all. I'm going to leave that on there so I won't have to stick it back down. All right, so we're going to pick it up. And we gotta flip it around, so you're gonna go. Oh, you okay? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's heavy. Side it up, pick it up. Right there. I'm out of breath again, y'all. So, got everything set up so that you guys can see it a little bit higher. So this is it right here. Y'all can check it out. So I'm gonna set the other press up over here. Thought I was gonna smash my fingers. All right, you guys. What I have right here are two of what I feel like are the top two presses, the top two heat presses out there right now. As far as now, they do have the Fusion IQ. I mean, they do have the Air Fusion. Now that one would be considered a top press too, but I'm going by, you know, my standards and what I'm looking for in a press and stuff like that. But these two presses, this right here is the Heat Press Nation 16 by 20 Signature Series drawer press with the pull-out drawer. And right over here next to it is the Hotronix Fusion IQ. It is actually a swing away press. So you would, if you know how to swing it away, you could swing it away. But if you don't, go the other one? I'm doing it both ways. That's the thing. And it's also a drawer press. Okay, so this one is actually, it's supposed to be able to swing away, but for some reason it's not swinging. I don't know. Oh, let me see. Okay, yeah. Okay, the problem with this one, it had a mechanism on the back. You have to loosen that up in order for it to swing. So I guess that's for safety when it's being delivered, you know, moved around and stuff like that. But basically, this one is actually a swing away. So you can swing this completely except for just a little part right here. I'm gonna show y'all this little part. Like, you don't get it 100% out of the way. Like, if you're looking down on it, it's this little part right here that didn't swing out of the way. So, yeah. And you can, while you're doing that, you can also pull out the drawer. Now, when you compare this pull-out drawer to this pull-out drawer, this one actually comes out a lot farther away. And one of the reasons I feel like it does that is because, let me see, right here, you know, when you swing this out, it has to come out far, because if it only came out as far as this one did, part of it would still be over that. So, you know, this one is designed to come out away from the pallet or platen or whatever. So, yeah, so pull out drawer on both presses. This one is not as far back because the platen, can't even think, y'all. The platen is out of the way. So, let me see. All right, so basically just upon looking at the presses, like some of the differences that I've noticed. Now this press right here is really, really heavy. Like, I probably would not be able to move this press around at all if not for my son. If I get my hook arms out, I would be able to move this Signature Series around a little bit. I wouldn't want to do it on a regular, but if I just had to, I could. Okay, so as you see over here, you got the on and off switch over here. You got the reset buttons over there, and You have your control panel right here on top, and you also have your auto release, your release button, so that you can release it when, if you need to release it before the timer goes off, because this one does have auto release or auto open. Okay, this one does not. So you are going to be, when you press your shirt, you're going to be lifting this one up and swinging it out of the way, or lifting it up and pulling the drawer, or you could do both depending on you as a person. Okay, so this one comes with a pen. Like as you see right here, I do kind of have a little bit of fingerprints on there, if y'all can see right there, because I have to use my, well actually I don't have to use my finger to touch that, but I thought it was touch screen when I first got it. So the controls are actually here. The controls are there. Okay, so on this Fusion IQ, you have this little button, because the screen is a touch screen right here. This little pen, I'm saying a little button, and it's got the Stars Hydronics logo on there, and a little space to store it right here in front of it. So yeah, this is my two favorite presses, and as you see, the footprint of this Stars press, like it's from one end of the desk, it's not much space left on the other end, so it's going to need a bigger area to store it. And when you come around to this side and you look at this one, you see this part right here, you got about 3 fingers back here, and then the bottom of it, the footprint, you got like a hand with your thumb extended right there. So as you see, this one does not take up as much space, and so that's, kind of comparing both of the two. Alright, so basically what I want to do with this video is kind of compare and contrast these two presses, because these are actually my two favorite presses that are out right now. Like this one is one that I hadn't been too long found out about, and I liked it because it was kind of space saving, and it had the drawer to it, so that you wouldn't be up under the heat, and it's real space saving. And this one right here is the Fusion that, usually everybody see that press and they want it, but it's a bit pricey, so sometimes we don't have the money to spend on on the one that's a little more expensive, but it does have a lot of features, and you can do things like set your set different materials that you're going to be printing in that press, and it'll remember it for you and stuff like that. It's a lot of different features. I don't even know all the features because I just got these in. I have not even learned everything with this heat press yet. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be comparing over the next few days and maybe a couple of weeks or so. I'm going to be comparing, and I'm going to see which of these presses that I'm going to keep. And I may end up keeping both of them if I can't decide. But for right now, this is all I have for you. I just want to kind of show you and compare and contrast. But these two, like, I really, really love this heat press right here. But my thing is, I'm going to be doing some things with sublimation that I am not sure if this press will be able to handle. So, that's why I have purchased this one. But I also have my other swinger press over there that I was thinking about selling, and so I don't know, if I choose this press, I'll probably go ahead and keep my swing away. But I just want to kind of let you guys know. So I'm gonna be deciding, and if y'all want to help me out, y'all type down below and let me know which one y'all would keep and why, or why I should keep one or the other, and maybe y'all can help me decide. But I will be printing a few things over the next few weeks and hopefully making my decision. And that's about all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and the T-Shirt Chick Live channel, which is the T-Shirt Chick Red channel, be sure to do so today, and join that Print Squad group and follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV. And if you're interested in any other products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, check down below this video for links, and be sure to use the links if you order something from Heat Press Nation, because I saw a lot of people on the Print Squad group page that were ordering, but they were not using my links. And one of the things, if I'm getting sales, I hopefully can in the future maybe get you guys a discount code if I can get enough sales. But if they don't know that the sales are being generated from me, then I can't help you guys out. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.